Ladies, are you all happy with your skin? Let's face it, one morning your skin looks flawless and the next morning it's like acne declaring war against your skin. Having a clear and glowing skin has become a blessing these days. The everyday stress, junk eating, polluted environment, alcohol and smoke is slowly killing our skin cells, pushing us towards early aging and other skin problems. Having a glowing, flawless skin not only makes you look active and good, but it also boosts your confidence level. So, if you're a workaholic and don't have time to go to a salon to get your skin fixed, or if you have no idea how to take care of your skin, then this video might just be perfect for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sound Health Solution, and in today's video, I'll give you some simple tips and tricks on how to get glowing, flawless and gorgeous looking skin in just 5 minutes. But before jumping into the main video, it's time for the daily health quiz. What is the most dangerous type of skin cancer? Here are your options. To find out the answer, check the link given in the description below and follow the official blog of Sound Health Solution. Tip number 1. Drink a big glass of water. What is the first thing you do when you wake up in the morning? Check your phone or drink a cup of coffee or tea, right? Well, it's time you switch to water because when we drink a big glass of warm water, it heals and detoxifies our body. It further provides digestive power, reducing metabolic waste. Also, it helps in repairing the skin cells and increases its elasticity. It's even better if you drink detox water like lemon-infused or apple cinnamon infused or fruits infused with water. Your wrinkles will vanish and your skin will tighten and glow if you drink water every morning. Tip number 2. Cleanse using natural products. There are tons of beauty products available that cleanse your skin, but they don't give you a long-lasting effect. That's why you need natural products such as lemon, honey, rose water, essential oils, and tomatoes that will clean your skin and make it radiant. To cleanse your skin, you'll need a half overripe tomato and just a tablespoon of honey. Gently rub the mixture on your face for a minute and let it soak into your skin for about 2 or 3 minutes. Also, you can make the lemon honey rose water mixture pack and apply it on your face for that everlasting glow. Tip number 3. Moisturize. Once you have freed your skin from bacteria and pollutants, the next big step is to moisturize it generously. Moisturizing your skin after a shower is very important because hot water strips all the moisture and oil, leaving your skin parched and dry. Therefore, moisturize your skin every day using products that have plenty of vitamins. SPF of 15 or more are non-comedogenic, meaning they won't clog the pores. You can also DIY your moisturizer using over-the-counter products like coconut oil, beeswax, cocoa butter, and so on. Combine the essential oils, butter with the wax in a double boiler. As they melt, stir and let it cool off. Add vitamin E oil and pour it into a jar of your choice. Tip number 4. Eat a healthy diet. If you eat healthy, your skin will automatically be healthy. Food stuff like avocados, cocoa powder, cottage cheese, flax seeds, mushrooms, oysters, mussels, green veggies are rich in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, omega-3s, and other nutrients that restore the moisture and prevents aging of the skin. So girls, do not let your hectic lifestyle, pollution, and unhealthy habits steal your natural glow away. Try these simple tips at home and do let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. And as I always say, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon for our upcoming videos. This is Sound Health Solution, the ultimate destination to your health guide.